Test 4. Thought. Robo Teacher, what do you know?
I know all the irregular verbs.
Robo Teacher, what do you believe?
I believe everyone should try to speak English.
Robo Teacher, what do you want?
I want to understand state verbs.
Robo Teacher, what do you remember?
I remember my life before I was a robot.
Test complete. Well done, Robo Teacher. You can now return to teaching.
Most verbs that are related to thoughts and opinions are state verbs. Remember, state verbs are verbs that do not necessarily involve movement, and we cannot see or draw them. Thoughts are state verbs because they all happen up here, in our head. To know something is something that we have learnt or something that we understand. For example, Robo Teacher knows all irregular verbs because he can store them in his hard drive. To believe something means to tell someone our opinion on something. For example, Robo Teacher believes all people should speak English because he is programmed to teach it. To want something means to wish for something. For example, Robo Teacher wants to understand state verbs because he is a robot and he struggles to understand thoughts and feelings. Usually state verbs are only used by humans. Non-human things cannot usually do states. To remember means to think about something that we learned or did in the past. When we think about something again, we say that we remember it. Robo Teacher remembers his life before he was a robot, and now that his test is over, he can go back to normal life.